Hello guys, so we have solution to one of the past questions. Okay, so now this is as shared. It's very simple. It's under indices. Okay, like I said, here it combines negative index law. You have your roots law. You also have your power law. Okay, so that is how you do analysis when solving mathematics. So what you do most times is that you first look at the question, you try to within few minutes, maybe 1 minute, okay, use it to analyze the question you see. So that will help you to quickly solve it on time, even if you're in JAMB class or you're in post UTME or in the exam or things like that. So you need to see the question and quickly do a quick analysis. Okay, you have your negative index law here, you have your root law, you also have your power law. Okay, this is also root law, third root. Okay, you have your power law. So what you just need to do, just apply your law straight. You don't need to waste much time because the question says simplify. Okay, simplify, break it down to the lowest. So you have your solution. Okay, then you can divide this into two to manage your space. So here you have 16 over 9 raised to power minus 3 over 2 raised to power minus 3 over 2, okay, times 16 raised to power minus 3 over 2, everything raised to power 1 over 3. Very simple. So all you just need to do, this is the same thing as saying 16 over 9, okay, minus 3 times half. It's still the same thing, okay. I needed to split it out so that you can understand. Then 16 minus 3 times what? Power half is the same thing, okay. So then you have everything raised to power 1 over 3. Okay. So now after this, know that I've told you in law of indices, 1 over 2, okay, 1 over 2 is the same thing as what? Square root. Okay. 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root. 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root. All you just need to do is just to apply the square root here now. So here we can now say that this is the same thing as what? Square root of what? 16 over 19. Okay, all raised to power minus 3. So the 1 over 2 is the same thing as square root. Do you see it now? So the same thing applies here. Square root of what? 16, all raised to power minus 3. Everything raised to power 1 over what? 1 over 3. So now, at the end of the day, don't forget under indices or sort, okay, division law. I can split this to root 16, root 9, division law. Don't forget that. So sort indices, on indices, I can split this into 2. So I can split it to division law. Then it means that this one is the same thing as saying root 16, root what? 9, all raised to power minus 3 times what? So square root of 16 is what? 4 raised to power minus 3. Do you see it now? Everything raised to power 1 over 3. So square root of 16 is what? 4. 4 times 4 is what? 16. Okay? So 4 times 4 is 16. So it means that at the end of the day, what's the square root of 16? So I can continue this one here. So square root of 16 is what? 4. Square root of 9 is what? 3. All raised to power what? Minus what? 3 times 4 raised to power what? Minus what? 3. Everything raised to power 1 over what? 3. You can see we are breaking it down step by step. We are breaking it down step by step. So it's that this is very, very simple and what? Straightforward. So now at the end of the day, I have 4 raised to power minus 3. I can split this 3. Okay, I can split this 3. I can split it, or I can expand this 1 over 3 to all of them. I can expand this 1 over 3 to all of them. since there's a big bracket here, and this power 1 over 3 combines everything, I can split it. Since I have 3 here, I wanted to cancel out. So it's just simple, it's just logical to do that. So then you have 4 raised to power minus 3 times 1 over 3 over 3 raised to power minus 3 times 1 over 3. Okay, or if I don't want to do this, do it like this, I can do it so that I won't jump any step. Let me do it this way so that you can understand better. 4 over 3 raised to power minus 3 times 1 over 3. Okay, I'm expanding it with the power because both of them owns this power. That is why you see a big bracket here. 4 raised to power minus 3 times 1 over 3. It's as simple as that. So it's as simple as that. So what do we do next? So what do we do next? It's just for us to cancel out. Okay, we can now cancel. 3 can cancel 3 here. Okay, so 3 can also cancel 3 here. So we have 4 over 3 raised to power minus 1. Okay, times 4 over times 4 raised to power minus what? 1. It's as simple as that. Okay, and don't forget, I've said it, that this is also the same thing as saying, this is also the same thing as saying 1 over 4 over 3, okay, times 1 over what? 1 over 4. It's as simple as that. Okay, 1 over 4 over 3 times 1 over 4, which is still the same thing. So don't forget that this one, I've told you, if you want to remove this division, the numerator will go up, the denominator will come down. Okay, if I want to remove this division, numerator will, numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. That is, this will go up and this will come down. So this is something as saying 3 over 4 times what? 1 over what? 4. Okay, so this is same thing as saying 1 divided by 4 over 3. Okay, then at the end of the day, you have what? 3 over 4. So the answer is now what? 3 times 1, 3, 4 times 4, 16. So it means that the solution to what we have above, just go to your option, okay, is what? 3 over 16. You can now conclude that the simplification of this, if it is coming out in theory, the simplification of this is what? 3 over what? Over 16. It's as simple as that. Okay, so it's very, very simple and it's straightforward. Just understand the concept, division law, yeah, and know that here we are also extending the power because the power combines it. That's why you have a big bracket. So extend it, then you can get your answer out. So please continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel, continue to like, comment, share, so that a lot of young minds can benefit from this. Thank you.